Hi guys, my name is Atta and today's topic is website designing. Website designing involves creating and building a website visual and functional aspects. There are some key aspects of website designing. User experience design, creating a seamless and intuitive user experience. User interface design, designing the visual elements and interaction. Responsive design, ensuring compatibility across various devices and screen sizes. Web development, building the website structure and functionality using coding language like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Content creation, developing engaging and relevant content for the website. Visual design, creating the visual aspects such as color scheme, typography, and imagery. Information architecture, organizing and structuring content for easy navigation. Interaction design, designing interactive elements like button and form. Accessibility design, ensuring the website is stable by people with disabilities. Search engine optimization, optimizing the website for searching engine ranking. Website design principles, clarity, consistency, color hierarchy, typography, white space, visual flow, responsive design, accessibility, initiative navigation, content quality. Website design tools, Adobe XD, Sketch, Figma, WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, React, Angular. Website design trends. Minimalism, dark mode, asymmetry, micro interaction, animation, personalization, voice UI, AR/VR integration, sustainable design, accessibility focused design. By following these principles, using right tools, staying up to date with the latest trends, you can create effective and visually appealing websites that meets your goals and engage your audience. Website designing trends, artificial intelligence integration, machine learning application, Internet of Things connectivity, augmented reality experiences, virtual reality integration, 3D animation and graphics, micro interaction and animation, personalized and dynamic content, voice activated interfaces and biometric authentication, website designing tools. Following are the tools which are used to design the website. Adobe Creative Cloud, Photoshop and Illustrator, Sketch and Figma for UI UX design, InVision for prototyping and collaboration, WordPress and GoCamera for e-commerce, Wix and Squarespace for website builders, HTML, CSS and JavaScript for front-end development, React, Angular and Vue.js for front-end framework, Node.js and Ruby on Rails for back-end development, GraphQL and RESTful APIs for data management, Webflow for design and development. Principle of website designing: clarity, consistency, color hierarchy, typography, white space, visual flow, responsive design, accessibility, intuitive navigation, content quality. Website designing trends: minimalization, dark mode, asymmetry, micro interaction, animation, personalization, voice UI, augmented and real integration, virtual reality integration, sustainable design, accessibly focused design. Website design best practices: mobile friendly and responsive design, fast loading speed and performance optimization, secure and trusted websites HTTPS and SSL, accessible and inclusive design, clear and concise content and navigation, consistent branding and visual identity, regular updates and maintenance, user testing and feedback, search engine optimization SEO, analytics and performance tracking. By following these principles, using the right tools, staying up to date with the latest trend, you can create an effective and visual appealing website that meets your goals and engages your audience. By staying up to date with the latest trends and tools and best practices, you can create a website that provides a great user experience to achieve your goals, match your desires, fulfill your customer demands, and stand out from the competition on the internet and social media where everyone is creating and enjoying the website traffic. Thank you.